This video is to help you navigate the online course. First, we look over to the left. There are green tabs here. We will go to the Start here, and if we click on that, we see the introduction video, which I would like for you to watch. There's the syllabus. If you click on that, the syllabus is there with all the details about the course. You have a pacing schedule here. For the online course, my instructor information, how to contact me, my phone number, and my office hours, and where I am on Clifton campus in room 232 Main. And then there's a lot more detail for non-attendance policy, netiquette statements, what plagiarism is and how to avoid it, technical help, computer skills needed for this course, accessibility, privacy. And if we scroll back up and scan back up here, if we click on the next green tab, that's announcements, and I will post announcements there throughout the course. I already have one posted to welcome you to the online MAT 096. It asks you to please explore the online class by beginning with the Start Here button, which is what we just looked at, and email me with any questions or concerns that you may have. And of course, I can't wait until we start the course. If we go back up, our next green button is course assignments, and they are divided by weeks, and you'll see them. There are 13 weeks. Our first week, it tells us what we will have learned this week and when every assignment in this folder is due. In this case, May 19th, 2019 by 11:59 p.m. If we click on week one, it repeats what we will have learned and when the assignments are due. And then I created a checklist for you to follow that will be what you need to do. Every week there will be a checklist listed. Here again is the introduction video posted here for your review. If you click on this, it's the instructional videos for week one. And you'll see that on week one, we have 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, and 4.4. So if you'd like to play those, of course, you just click on the arrow and it will play. And if it doesn't connect, or if you have a problem seeing the videos, you can always click here and it will go directly out there to a full screen for you to use. So every week is set up like that. Another thing you will be doing for this course is the discussion board. And if we click on that, there is a place for the student lounge. That's just a simple place where you can discuss with other students to socially interact with them. For example, you could share what other courses you are taking or what campus activities you might be involved with. The think tank, that's a discussion forum, is for questions about the course that you might like to ask your fellow classmates. For examples, when are our notes due? So that's a real nifty thing. And actually, when we go further down, you'll see the assignments for every week. Week one is introductions, and week two, so forth, and week three, and week four, and week five, all the way through our week 13. If we continue on, the My Math Lab, that will be your online homework. And if you click there and you click assignments, you'll actually go into your My Math Lab. And so if we do that, it's going to send us over to the My Math Lab link, and you can see there's your first homework. If you click on that, then the problems will come up and you can put the answers in for the online homework. So as we keep going down here, we have a green tab for your My Grades. You'll be able to see all your grades. And there's a place for student resources. And if you click on that, it will come up to a link for Cincinnati State, all the resources they offer. And that's pretty handy because you're just a click away from all this information. And that may be very helpful. There's like tutoring, study tips, computer help, campus life, and so forth. So if we go back to our green tabs, we have tools and Blackboard help, and then we have instructions for the final exam proctor. So that will give you a good start for how to navigate this course. And as always, please feel free to email me or call me with any questions you may have. I look forward to working with you all.